Hello everyone, welcome to Sounds of English. In lesson number 9, we will learn two new sounds. A, A, air, air. A, A, short, not. What, want. Air, fair, fair. Square, square. Where, where. Bear, bear. A, short, not. What, want. Air, fair, square. Where, bear. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for the notifications of new videos. And please leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.